Nope.
Hey guys, today I'm going to cook easy and simple Korean style ramen. And to make it a little bit special, I have this secret ingredient. If it's the first time watching, please subscribe and make comments. And let's get started. So before boiling the water, I used oil, slice of onion, and onion. And when it starts boiling, I'm going to first add this vegetable. This is like dried vegetable flakes. Add this spicy powder. And 2 noodles. Make sure you flip the noodles so all parts of the noodles are in the water. Lastly, action! The brisket. And don't forget the green onion.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.